In this video, we're going to go over the chlorination of benzene reaction. So what happens in this video is that a hydrogen is going to be replaced with a chlorine atom. So that's the overall product of this reaction, but let's talk about the mechanism. So first, chlorine reacts with the Lewis acid catalyst, and it combines with it to form this product. Aluminum will have a negative formal charge, and chlorine is going to have a positive formal charge. Now, the benzene ring could react with this compound, or it can react with the chlorinium ion, because this can also form, even though it's less stable. Chlorine could take these two electrons and pull it toward itself. So what we're left with is this chlorinium ion and this substance, which is in equilibrium with aluminum chloride and chloride. So what we're going to do is we're going to use both this electrophile and this electrophile to create chlorobenzene. Certain textbooks, they use one way over the other, and other textbooks use the other way. So I'm just going to show you both possible routes. So first, let's react it with the chlorinium ion. The good thing about this, even though it's less stable, it's a powerful electrophile, and it causes the benzene ring to react with it. It literally pulls these electrons, this double bond, towards itself. So we're going to put the chlorine atom here. And the double bond has been broken. And because we put the chlorine atom on this carbon, the other carbon has a plus charge, because it has 3 bonds instead of 4. And now the other chloride ion, which comes from AlCl4, we can use that as a base to facilitate the removal of this hydrogen. And these electrons will form a double bond. Now, because benzene really wants to restore its aromaticity, its aromatic ring, sometimes benzene is powerful enough to just expel the hydrogen on its own. So this chloride ion may not be needed. But it helps to have it though. But in the end, you still get this. The hydrogen was replaced with the chlorine, as you can see. Now here's the other way of doing this. It's going to look almost identical, but we're just using a different electrophile. You can also use this as an electrophile. The double bond is going to attack this chlorine, and these electrons will be pulled towards that chlorine. But the end result is the same. The plus charge will still be here, and our side product is AlCl4 minus. And we can use the chloride ion in this compound to grab a hydrogen, and then this will form a double bond, just as before. So the end result is identical. You still get chlorobenzene. But those are some different ways or different routes that you can use to get that answer. So you can use the chlorinium ion, or you can use this as the electrophile that benzene reacts with. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.